Throwback type of way. Oh my god. Oh, the shoes, the dress, the look, the concept, the set design. Is this the boys? Damn, in 4K too? God damn. We're bringing the boys out. It's Dove came out. This is so iconic. This is so dramatic. I love the dramatic of this. What is this? This is just an intro, bro. Looking fierce. Wow. Bro, this is ahead of its time. Deadass. I swear, this is ahead of its time. Like, with the dove and everything? That's so dramatic. That's so dramatic. I love that. I want that. Give me more of this. Like, what does this even mean? Damn, like the slow-mos. The boys. Isn't this Kesha's song? Oh no, Run Devil Run is Kesha's song. Bruh, goosebumps. Bitch! What they know? What they know, chat? Bring the boys out. What they know about this right here? Bring the boys out. Before we got that twice, we had Girl Generation. Let them know. Let them know. Oh my God. Taeyeon? Taeyeon? Bruh. Alright, who's your Girl Generation bias, y'all? Girl Generation bias. Sunny? With that hair? Ian. Tiffany? Sohyun? Let's go. I see y'all. I miss them too. Girls' Generation. Come on, yo. Bring the boys out. Low-key, I did listen to the English version too. Oh my God, they are eating. Oof. Bruh. Bruh. It still hits. I'm in awe. Bring the boys out. Bruh. I feel bad. I feel bad that people don't get to experience this like firsthand. I wish I could re-experience most of these songs like in second gen. I wish I could re-experience. There was a TikTok of like, if I could re-experience like the first time listening to this song. I would love to re-listen to The Boys again for the first time. I Got a Boy was crazy. I wish I wasn't drunk while listening to that. I feel like I appreciate either way, but my God, I was messed in that video. Oh, sorry. You know the girls bring the boys out. Bro, the Spider-Man drop. I wanna dance right now. And here with his dance right here. Iconic. Like, dude, like, they don't know about this. I feel like they recreate this too. Woo! Oh my God, bro. Oh my, and we're not even done, yo. Bro, I'm just taking this all in. It's been a while since I watched this. The makeup. Outfits too. Bro, they ate. They cooked that shit, bro. And ended with a slow-mo dove. It's flying in a bed of roses that are falling down. What? Listen. I don't want to say, listen, I love my girlies, like today's generation girlies, you know. I have no, like, there's no, all respect to them, like, to those the new girls, or like third, fourth, fifth, sixth, whatever generation groups. They doing their thing. But something about the second gen for me, y'all, I don't know. There's some hella classics in there. There's some blueprints in here, bro.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.